Have you decided it's time to close your EasyEquities account? Whether you're moving to a different investment platform or stepping away from investing altogether, closing your account on EasyEquities is not a straightforward process. EasyEquities doesn't have a direct close account function or button that you can use, and many traders have accused the company of deliberately doing that to keep traders on its platform. However, while EasyEquities doesn't explicitly list account closure steps, in this video, we have searched all over the internet to give you a step-by-step guide to help you close your EasyEquities account. Step 1. Log in to your account. First, head over to the EasyEquities website or open the EasyEquities app. Log in using your username and password. This ensures that you're accessing your account securely and have all necessary details at hand. Step 2. Bring your balance to zero. You have two options to achieve this. Either sell all your investments, be it shares or fractional shares, or transfer your entire portfolio to another brokerage. You can't close your EasyEquities account with a remaining balance or open trades. Also, ensure all funds in the account are withdrawn. Transfer any remaining balance to your bank account. Step 3. Contact customer support. After clearing out your account, contact EasyEquities support. They can initiate the account closure process for you. To do that, navigate to the support or help section of the EasyEquities platform. Here you'll find various contact options such as email, phone number, or a live chat feature. Clearly state that you wish to close your account. Customer support will guide you through the specific requirements and may ask for additional information to verify your identity. In some cases, EasyEquities may require you to provide a reason for closing the account and to fill out some forms. This is also the part that has many traders frustrated, as many users online claim that account closure requests are not processed in time, while EasyEquities pile on brokerage fees. Step 4. Confirm closure. After submitting your closure request and withdrawing your funds, you should receive a confirmation from EasyEquities. This confirmation is crucial as it officially signifies that your account is closed. Keep a copy of this confirmation for your records. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you don't receive a confirmation, or if the closure process is taking longer than expected, don't hesitate to follow up with their customer service. Persistence ensures that your request is processed without unnecessary delays. Final thoughts. Closing your EasyEquities account might seem like a daunting task, but by following these clear steps, you can navigate the process smoothly. Remember, the key to a hassle-free experience is clear communication with customer support and ensuring all financial matters are settled before the final closure. Happy investing, wherever your financial journey takes you next.